Hi, I'm Ashley from Simply Blended Smoothies. Thanks so much for dropping by today. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a really easy and delicious recipe for a strawberry milkshake. I like to let my ice cream sit out for just a few minutes in order to soften up before I scoop it. For this strawberry milkshake recipe, you'll want to scoop out around 4 to 6 scoops of your strawberry ice cream. And then add about 3/4 of a cup of milk. You can use a blender to combine your ice cream and milk into your milkshake. However, I prefer using a milkshake maker. You'll get a nice creamy consistency, but your strawberry pieces will stay intact. You'll simply place your cup into your milkshake maker and let it blend for a few minutes until fully combined. When it's done, simply pour it into your favorite cup. Add whipped cream, sprinkles, and even a strawberry if you like. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, please take a minute to subscribe to my Simply Blended Smoothies YouTube channel. Also, I would love for you to follow me on my blog at simplyblendedSmoothies.com. Thanks and have a great day.